In this assignment, you're going to learn some of the basics of Illustrator. I just really want you to practice. You're going to be familiar with the scale, rotate, and reflect objects and the basic transformation tools. This is all in to help you learn to draw, whether you can draw or not. So I'm going to go through these instructions, and when you're done, you'll have something that looks like this, and you'll learn a lot of the tools. So here we go. Let's open Illustrator. Okay, so that's the finished project. And we're going to do File, New. We want this to be called Basic Shapes. And easiest if you just go ahead and pick for print, and then you're going to make the unit in inches. Let's change this right here. The instructions tell you that you want it to be 8 inches by 8 inches, so we're going to type 8 by 8 and OK. Now you have a big square. You can see right here that I'm at 178% on my viewing, and we know from Photoshop we can control minus to make that smaller, and I'm at 150%. Now I'm at 100%. Yours will probably look a little different because I'm using my 27-inch iMac, so I have a lot of screen space here that you don't. So get to a view that you're comfortable with. Use your Control plus and Control minus on the keyboard to get where you can see. Alright, so now we're down to step 2 in your instructions. We're going to use the rectangle tool and just click one time. Okay, remember this is your artboard, this whole thing. So it says to click on your artboard, you just click. Okay, we get a dialog box, and I want you to set the width and the height to 4 inches each and click OK. We have a nice square. We want to fill that with yellow. So this is a fill color and this is a stroke. So all objects in Illustrator have both. And we want that to be yellow. Push enter. And I'm going to use my black arrow tool, same as in Photoshop, and move that to the upper left corner. And our instructions tell me to make 3 more squares. To Alt and drag or copy paste. Alt and drag is the easiest, so just hold on Alt on your keyboard. Use your mouse, drag 1 to the right. There's 2, 3, and 4. Okay, you can then, oops. I'll try that again. Oh, I held the wrong key. 4. Okay. You can use your arrow keys on your keyboard to straighten that up to make sure they all fit nicely within your square on your artboard, because we made this 8 by 8 and each one's 4 by 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, right? All right. The colors, we want to make our colors match. So this first one, click in it. We're going to set that one to green. The next one stays yellow. This one goes to red. And the bottom right goes to blue. Okay, save your work, and that's all for this part.